Previously on Viva la Vlog.
Really? Yeah. Fuck.
Using adjustments. 19 is the only thing I don't have.
Yeah. Did you get it out? Is it free?
You can play with that, Chris. It's gone alright. Right, Chris?
Dremel?
Yeah. How could you not see that?
But you do have a Dremel, do you? Yeah, you're better off.
Fuck.
Oh, really? Oh, it's not a Dremel then, is it?
It is a drum. Correct and right, Chris.
Do you need goggles? Safety goggles, no? Where would you?
Gay workshop.
Yeah. Cuts them in half. You have a voice? Well, that fucks that on anyway.
I know, we have another one.
What? Gone.
No, it needs to be tightened.
We're just spinning around.
They had just stopped.
This is taking forever. Yes, yeah, you're dead on. Look at that there. Look at that YouTube.
The biggest hammer you have there. A low hammer for this. The hammer there. Behind you, yeah. Don't know how well this will work.
So what are you doing now?
Just going to tap it around in the current nicks we have. So that it might come loose. If it comes loose at all, we'll get it off. You know?
Yeah, through me toe. Through 3 toes. Going to A&E. Going to A&E. Why does he have a flatbed screwdriver through 2 toes?
It's just, it's like...
Well, long story. Oh, it'll fly off.
Yep.
Done. Go home.
WD-40.
The best.